All right, now let's get the drone up and check out some of that awesome footage. Let's go. To really transform this soil and give us something that we can grow into next year. Next, oh, just got stung by a bee. That was nice. Oh, that hurt. Oh yeah, that one's bad. Getting our water right. What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the video. I have been so excited for this video. This is the exact one. The previous videos have all been a build up to this. As most of you know, if you watch the channel, if you don't know, like and subscribe. That way you do know. But we have done a bit of a lawn transformation over the last month and 1 week. So we did the fertilizer test. Those videos are below. These are what the thumbnails look like right here. We've done the fertilizer test. We've done all of our irrigation corrections. We've swapped out some of the sprinkler gauges from the low flow to the high flows. We've sprayed, we've done the herbicides, the insecticides, the fungicides, and we also hit it with fertilizer as well over the last few weeks. So we've done a lot of different things. This side test yard here is looking really good. The front yard is looking, in my opinion, really good, especially since it's less than a year old. This is only a 7-month-old yard, and so the progress we've made here, in my opinion, is really a step in the right direction. It makes me really look forward to what we can do with this Bermuda next summer, really getting it leveled and cut low, and lots of exciting things to come on that. But for today's video, what we are going to do is about a month ago, I put up a video thanking everybody for 500 subscribers, and we flew the drone around. Well, that footage was the footage that we used for our day one lawn transformation this summer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those videos a little bit of side by side, a little bit of a mix. Oh, just got stung by a bee. That was nice. Oh, that hurt. Oh yeah, oh, that one's bad. So we're gonna put that footage up side by side. We're gonna do a little mix up with it. But for today's video, that's basically what it's gonna be. Is I wanna show you what we were able to do, both between getting our water right, getting our mix of herbicides, pesticides, and everything correct, as well as getting a good slow release fertilizer down, the NitroPhos and the Anderson's, a great mix of those. We've got humic acid down. We're doing humic acid every 6 weeks to really transform the soil and give us something that we can grow into next year. And then just mowing it correctly, getting the right height on the cut, not burning it up every week. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of shots here of some of the parts of the yard so that you can see them on the video. All right, now let's get the drone up and check out some of that awesome footage. Let's go. All right, here we go. Y'all check this out.